The fuel pressure sensor, fuel rail pressure sensor, or FRP for short, is the sensor responsible for measuring the liquid fuel pressure that's going into your engine. Now, it's important not to confuse the FRP with its close cousin, the fuel tank pressure sensor. These two sensors are used for completely different purposes on our vehicles. Fuel rail pressure is for fuel going into your engine, and fuel tank pressure is for reading the evaporative emission system pressure. The engine computer is going to use our fuel rail pressure sensor to read and report the actual fuel pressure that's coming into the engine via the fuel rail. Now, this is used to control the fuel pump's output where applicable and to be able to control the fuel injector open time or pulse width. You'll usually find the fuel rail pressure sensor mounted directly into the fuel rail itself under the hood or in a fuel line very close to the rail. Now, be careful when replacing this sensor. The sensor is dealing directly with gas on our vehicles. Make sure the engine is cool and depressurize the fuel system according to the vehicle's factory service information. Be prepared for some fuel to leak out upon removal of the old sensor. Install the new one onto the rail or hose and bolt it back down or thread it in and plug it back in. Now, wipe away any gas and properly dispose of any rags prior to starting that engine up. Before starting the engine, it's a good idea to cycle the key 3 times to build that fuel rail pressure back up and inspect the system for leaks. If you do not feel comfortable with any of this, I strongly advise that you take this job into a reputable shop. So if your fuel rail pressure sensor fails, you may have both a check engine light on and a drivability concern. On direct injected vehicles with a failing high pressure fuel rail sensor, the high pressure pump will most likely be disabled, leaving you with a very slow and sluggish vehicle. On a non-direct injected vehicle, you may or may not act any differently when you have a failing sensor. With both fuel systems, you'll get a check engine light on with related fuel pressure codes. The most common related codes are a P0087, P0088, P0191, and P0192. So why should you get yourself an NTK fuel pressure sensor? Well, as with every NTK sensor, you're getting yourself a premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. Now, these attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.